All right, well, after quite a few hours of grinding, we got the rest of the rust off for the most part. There's a couple of little spots in the corners I gotta get, but we're gonna pressure wash it with some degreaser and let that dry, rinse it off, let it dry, and then we're gonna come back with the metal prep, get that on and let it do its thing, and then we'll rinse that, let that dry, and come back and paint. I'm gonna try to get it all done tonight. It's getting kind of late, but it's still hot out, so hopefully it'll dry in time. We're getting some thunderstorms tomorrow and the next day, so I'm trying to get this thing coated so I don't get a bunch more rust that I just got off of it. So trying to make it happen. All right, let's do it. All right, everybody. Hopefully this works good. My camera ran out of memory, so we're going phone method. So the product I am using is the POR 15 metal prep. It's a rust neutralizer, metal etcher, so it gets everything all good for the paint, which I'm also using their paint. So yeah, we pressure washed. Everything's pretty well dry now, so we're gonna start spraying this stuff. I'll see if I can't show you some of the bubbly. I left a little bit of rust in this section so we can kind of see. Oh, safety first. Which one? Bubbling up a little bit. Probably be wearing gloves. Oh, there's some bubbles. All right, well, I'm just gonna keep doing this, so we'll do time lapse. Paint time. Sweet. So we got this thing all prepped up. We're using the POR 15, Port 15, I don't know what you call it, but did the wash, surface prep, and now we're ready for paint. So yeah, I'm gonna start in the back here and work forward. I started a little bit just to try it out. Looks like it's going on pretty nice. So I am gonna go get some gloves though, because that stuff is kind of nasty and sticky. So yeah, let's get painting. What's up, guys? All right, we got her. Well, kinda. Got her. I'm replacing that stuff, so that's why that's not done. I ran out of paint right there. That's it. So I need to get some more paint over that little bit. But I can't buy it anywhere near me that I know of. I have to order it. So anyway, what can I need to do? Delay me another day or two for putting on the floor. Have a good night.